Let's talk about a technology that is scaling Solana to handle over 1 million transactions per second. The Solayer InfiniSVM. But first, what is Solayer InfiniSVM in simple words? Solayer InfiniSVM is a next generation blockchain designed for extreme speed, low latency, and seamless composability. So instead of relying on shredding, which is the ability to split the blockchain into smaller separate pieces that process transactions independently, or even vertical scaling, which is the ability to improve performance by making a single blockchain node more powerful, Solayer InfiniSVM instead distributes stacks across specialized microservices and hardware accelerators to keep the blockchain fast, scalable, and fully synchronized. To enable ultra-fast communication between nodes, Solayer InfiniSVM uses InfiniBand remote direct memory access, which is a technology that allows nodes to transfer data directly between their memory without needing the CPU, which drastically reduces delays and overhead. Now pay attention. The Solayer InfiniSVM is the first hardware-accelerated blockchain, and it is infinitely scaled, which means 1 million transactions per second is just the beginning. I mean, imagine a world where everyone can play their favorite games, stream 8K videos, and trade at light speed fully on chain. That's Solayer InfiniSVM. So InfiniSVM helps scale Solana by handling transactions in the background, so the apps can use it seamlessly without any extra steps. You don't need to bridge, switch wallet, or even pay gas fees in new tokens. Everything happens automatically in a cheaper and faster way. This is amazing, right? But how exactly does it work? Let me break down 3 innovations behind InfiniSVM. The first is Mega Leader, which is the combination of the proof of authority and proof of stake mechanism to create a fast, secure, and scalable consensus mechanism. This works by using a trusted leader, that is the Mega Leader, to process transactions quickly, while a distributed group of proof of stake verifiers ensures security and decentralization. This automatically makes transactions pre-executed before reaching the sequencer, which will obviously reduce delays and improve efficiency. If needed, the Solayer InfiniSVM can also fall back on Solana's consensus to ensure reliability and network continuity. The hardware offloading innovation allows Solayer's InfiniSVM to offload key blockchain processing tasks to specialized hardwares to reduce computational bottlenecks and boost efficiency. And here's how that works. Once the tasks are offloaded to the hardware, scheduling, signature verification, and deduplication are handled by programmable switches and smart NICs, which are basically high-speed network devices to free up computing power. Then the pre-execution cluster processes transactions first and then pass them to programmable switches for efficient sequencing. For more complex operations like re-execution, the field programmable gate array network interface cards leverage InfiniBand for ultra-fast data transfers, and this high-performance infrastructure simply enables Solayer to process transactions at speeds never seen before in blockchain, making on-chain execution blazing fast and scalable. Finally, the multi-execution machine. Solayer InfiniSVM uses a multi-executor system to scale transaction processing by running multiple execution clusters in parallel, which means transactions are processed simultaneously across clusters, boosting throughput and reducing latency. The blockchain can easily scale from a single execution cluster to multiple clusters depending on network demand. And to avoid conflicts or delays while handling multiple transactions at the same time, the multi-version concurrency control, or MVCC, is used. Instead of locking data, MVCC creates multiple versions of a record, which allows transactions to read older versions while new updates are processed. This prevents slowdowns by eliminating bottlenecks caused by waiting for other transactions to finish, and also makes real-time executions smoother. As you can see, streaming, gaming, AI, and a lot of high-power real-life interactions can now run fully on-chain without lag, all thanks to Solayer's InfiniSVM. The InfiniSVM is redefining what's possible, and if you are ready to experience the future of blockchain, join the movement, explore the tech, and see how InfiniSVM can power the next wave of on-chain innovation. Before I go, don't forget to follow Solayer Labs on X for more updates.